underscore date. And I just generally don't like use the same names, so let's call this team. So the game date is actually something we're going to pull from the URL. So the game date is this right here, 2019 10/22. So let's actually make sure that that's true. October 22, 2019. Great. So for this, we're going to have to use a regular expression. Let's extract. What we're going to do is we're going to, excuse me, look for 0 to 9. And it's going to look for a plus, which means just more than one of them. And that's actually the pattern we're looking for. The string is going to be URL. There it is. Okay. And what we can actually do, which is actually a good idea to do, is convert it to a date. And it didn't work because of some reason. Okay, so it's a character. So as date, and we're going to do some sort of format. Let's look up how to do it. Something I've obviously looked up many times before. Okay, these are the symbols. So we can see it is $Y for the 4-digit year, is 2019, and then it is month, and then it is day. I'm not sure what that 0 is. So I'm going to do one thing, and I'm just going to cut it off. What I think it is if a team has a double header, which is very rare, then that becomes a 1 for the second game. So we're going to call this year, and then month is $M, small m, and then $small d for day. And I think this will not work. Oh, it will. But just to be doubly sure that we control it and there's not an extra 1 out there, I'm going to say no. I always forget how to cut off the last character. It's something I always Google. Nabble has it. Looks like it's using the substring function. This is the part I hate. Oops. That's not what I wanted. But it looks like it worked. So great. And what was I doing? Yes. I was converting this now incredibly onerous item to $Y, %M, %D. That's what the final thing is that I'm going to have. And I know it's generally bad practice to leave open assignments here, but I do it anyway. Away team is going to be call names PvP table 1. Mistaken. Oops. Home team is going to be call names of PvP table 4. Nope. 5. Great. And let's just put comments down here. So convert a slash so effectively we don't want it to say New Orleans or Toronto. We want it to say NOP for New Orleans Pelicans or TOR for Toronto. It's something that we can actually check. So for example, TOR right here stands for Toronto, the home team. We should see if it's saved somewhere in here. It's easy to grab. And if it's worth us grabbing it from this line score table, we might as well try. Let's see. I know there's a way to dive really deep into this, but let's see if we just can't get this guy out. Pull up NOP and the TOR. So let's grab this here. Yeah, let's just play around with it. Let's say away home node. Home table. Home node. Nope, 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 nope. Node. Okay. Line score. Okay. Node. This looks like this is a list of 0. Table, line score. No, I'm afraid I don't know how to get it done. So we'll just have to do some sort of hard coding of New Orleans Pelicans to NOP. Okay, not too big a deal. Do that at the end. Okay, so what is next? Play team, play type, point outcome. So what we want to do is we want to get a Markov chain, and a chain is just one play after another. So we don't want something like blanks. So what I'm thinking we do is we create a column here to the left that basically says who is the team that made the play, and then we bring over, for example, this over here to here, the actual play, right? We basically collapse these two columns together. So how should we do that? Well, let's think about it. Play team. I have an idea. Let's make an empty vector which I'm sure I've done before.